So, this video you're watching? Yep, it was made entirely by AI. Imagine having an AI tool that creates a full video ad for your products, whether you're selling on Amazon, Shopify, or even Etsy. Sounds insane, right? Well, let me show you how it works. With this tool, you can create professional video ads without spending a single dime. Forget about those pricey influencers. This AI tool does it all in just a few steps. First, click on Create Now. Then, paste the link to your product. Simple as that. Once you hit Analyze and the AI gets to work, it pulls together everything for you, a description, product images, everything. If you've got better images, you can upload them right here. Next, you'll choose the aspect ratio, duration, language, all customizable. But for now, let's keep it on default and move on. Here's the cool part. You pick the script style. I recommend starting with Problem Solution for a clean and compelling video. Then, you select an avatar to present your ad. The options are endless. Once that's done, the AI creates your video in minutes. It even gives you multiple versions to choose from. Quick transitions, green screens, you name it. Just look at this example. Doesn't it look like a professional influencer made it? The best part? You save money and time while getting ads that actually work. If you're ready to try it out, the link is in the description. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more amazing AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.